Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This video is a must video you must watch. This man you can see on this video is called Kingsley Uhunomaedobo. This is the latest 419 fraudster we have in Edo State, Nigeria, who always tell people I can do visa to any part of the country, can do Turkey, can do Switzerland, can do Canada, London, and he has a partner in London here who says his wife. Please don't believe him. Today his cup has full because he did a visa for my in-law in Switzerland, and he says a working visa, he says a good visa. He will always tell you I will buy you a ticket. I will buy you a ticket, don't go and buy a ticket. He did for my in-law friend, which is wife, to Canada, he collected 4 million. He did for another guy, he collected 3.5, collected 2 million. My in-law is 2.5. And they are giving her money, not knowing that the visa he did for them all was fake. Oh, I will buy you a ticket, don't worry. My in-law friend went on behalf of them to go and buy a Canadian ticket for him and his wife because his wife is always due for delivery. On getting to Muritala Mohammed Airport in Lagos, Nigeria, that's where they confirmed to him the visa is fake. He was shocked. That is how he alerted all his friends and said, look, this man is a fraudster, he's a 419. He has just been due of 4 million, just like that. They start calling Kingsley Uhunomaedobo. He's not picking his food. He always go and lodge in one of the best hotels, the luxury hotel. Not in the luxury hotel. He was having about a T-bank card in his bag, you can see, with a lot of charms in his bag and a lot of fake visa in his bag, which is used to deceive people. Lodge in a luxury hotel, sit dressed as if he's a chief. You can see the way he's dressing now, putting on white and white bag. All those documents you are seeing in his hand is fake. It's fake. Today, his cup is full. They set him up today that there is another client who wants to do a visa, and she's a female. He was so excited. You can see the hotel they caught him now. To his surprise, that hotel is in Sapler Road. To his surprise, he saw all his clients he has duped all their money from. You can see them with all these army officers with them because they have already reported to the police and everything with army that there is a man who have duped them over 10 million, 15 million. That's how he was caught today. You can see that they have beaten him up. He's still talking there. They beat him already. Wàá dàbí ọ̀hẹ́ ọmọkùnrin lọ́dọ̀ wà láti àwọn àgbàfíà di 419. Wàá jòkòrò pàtàkì wà wẹ́ yẹn wọ́n da ọjọ́ ọ̀ yẹn wẹ̀ boyfriend yẹn wẹ̀ partner wẹ̀ wò wá ní Nàìjíríà náà wẹ̀ a visa láì London. Wàá fi wá nẹ́ wàá bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọ̀ yẹn wàá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ nànà òṣì nù. Òṣì ẹ̀yà gbẹ̀yìn ọ̀hún yà sí ní àwọ̀ yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mo yẹ wẹ̀ kùsẹ̀ bá wẹ̀ mú ẹni náà nìyà. Oh, yeah, you know, you have a good 18 bank card of your 18. A bank card in your bank in the others. More than 15 million or 53,000 naira. Can't be five. And I know, and I will figure not a figure. Ọmọ alẹ́ ènìyàn àtẹ̀wé fídíò wọ́n wá wé bẹ́rẹ̀ wọn níwèé tèrè ó tàyò dáwọ̀ ẹ̀nà yẹn wé tèrè yúnú wé ya dé ẹjọ́ ni wọ́n mẹ́lẹ́ bíkọ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ ìyá nìyẹn fi ọkíyàn ẹ̀kọ́ náà fi ọkíyàn ẹ̀yà fún ẹ̀kọ́ wà lẹ́yà dcb yàn yẹra ìyọ́nì ìlú rẹ̀ ọ̀yà dcb yẹrẹ rẹ̀ lórí ìtàmìyàn ẹ̀yà yẹn ìrajà yìí Wakaboge Kingsley nano no be edobo. Ope awa gege yore ope awa mo pe owe for one na eyin ya fi kere ya fi. E ba no ye yo fi le pin ya o akoma ma ya. Ama iwe no ya fi kere. Be na ara ni a ope ara ni a. Yese obe ogbalegbe ne. Ye wa regwe do be na kwara. Igo ya no vio eni ari no egwe wo vio eji o ma emi e mo pata inu ya no gbaru mani ya ma emi e mo pata ma mi ko pa no vigo yi eni ki eveni etama we gba e no bu ya we visa na ya nguna no be webu be ka wata mo ma na o bi ana no wo we a we bi na no ma se webu na ya nguna na ina we fake na me on there where wa we say 3 months more be say 6 months here ya have here e ma no pe ra gbe we e do no go me we ni do ya wa ran wa die o pe ana do gbegbe ki obi oba no se mu eyiwe eyin e kinani a egbe manani ati obi oba because na oba ma o no miere bu ni makere ni wa yore wo wi wo lo pe ari ewo eyo fo le gbe ekun a wa ya ye boya mi eri mi mu ya kun wa ga video na no ri mi o ga e ti o pe ai ku ní aya nwa ní ere ya mu ideye o jagbon je mi na bo wa wa ga video na kian irun da ko audio na ba video na do wa bere no brothers and my sisters, share this video to every of your contact. Let this video get to your family, because this man is a crazy bastard 419. Kingsley Unoma Noviedobo is a 419. Share this video, share it to WhatsApp, share it to Facebook, share it to Instagram, share it to everything you are using for your social media. And when you do that, many people will be set free from captivities, because this guy is putting many people now into captivities because he's a criminal. Look at his face very well. He's a hardened criminal. Upon all the beating, he's still making noise. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.